My viewers and subscribers, in this video today, I would like for you to watch this video from start to finish. Please, I'm asking you, watch this video from start to finish. Like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to this channel. Help us grow. Yeah man, help us grow. And also, I would like for you to go over to On The Spot News Media. Give him a shout out. Subscribe to the channel. Like him video. Share him videos. Because part of this video is coming from over On The Spot Media. I reach out to him, I ask him for his permission to use his video. So I'm using his video today. So I'm asking, check him out, like, subscribe, and share his video. So, and right here, I'm giving him his flowers to allow me to use his video. So, On The Spot Media. Welcome guys to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, and I'm here today with another video for you. My viewers and subscribers, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, any which part you're there in the world. Peace and love, enough respect and manners. Now, as usual, big up my viewers and my beautiful subscribers. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you to all my veteran, the old veteran them from day one will stand up with me. Thank you very much, and welcome to all my new viewers and subscribers. Now, as usual, you know, say me have to big up a few fella YouTubers, content creators like myself, small and big. First one is KC Adventure. Big up yourself, enough respect. My viewers and subscribers, may I ask you please, if you can go over KC Adventure, watch our video, like our videos, subscribe to her, help her to get some watch time so she can get monetized, because my viewers, she may not say it, but me go say it. She is doing a lot for poor people, people who don't have it, but she don't say it. So I go say it. She need the help. We all need the help. Go over there, support her. Also, we have Chef Mac and Polly, who is feeding the homeless. Also, new. Them just start out. Go give them a strength. Look upon them, like, share, comment, give them some watch time. Yeah man. And also K Grant Official TV, she do her thing. She respect everybody. She like the YouTube, she love the YouTube. She want to do some supporting, she want some support, she want to do some helping too. But the only way she will be able to do it is with your help. Also, we have Maki Adventure, who do some nice thing down in Jamaica there. And you don't know more if you say Jamaica sensation. Yeah man, he might look some strength, he might look some help from you also. May I ask you please, if you can watch, like, support, subscribe. Ocean and Noya, young family, working family, our farm, them a try. Give them some help, give them some strength. And we go big up a few people now that already out there, but still want more viewers, more watch time, more everything. Support. I touch a class with HTK. Let me tell you something. Go watch our video them. She have a new video. I talk about some Guyanese situation. Down in this video, I will say a little bit more about that. But HTK, big up yourself. And We go shout out Roxanne Kitchen, Swizzle at Kitchen. Yeah, man. I don't know me have a shout out the big man them. Yeah, man. Colors TV. Peace and love you. Enough respect. Enough thing me get from you. Enough thing me hear from you. And me learn from you. And me follow you. Do many things where me go say them in one video. That will be a different video. Drizzy Burke. Don't say a word, you. Me I tell you. Young Colors I do a lot to Jamaica. Tourism. And them don't know it and them never acknowledge that. Yeah, man. Professor Bingy. Enough respect, youth. Love how you give out the football them to the youths them. If you go and play some soccer, American soccer, Jamaican football. Yeah, man, a football we play at Jamaica. Peace. Now see a word. J-Bud. Love how you go on. Go come try some of them gizzard there. Sunshine Boss. Love what you do. Respect what you do. He's a cool youth. And I like that. Yeah, man. Really, really love it. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I could get in the video now. My viewers, I want to talk to you. A lot of you write some things to me sometimes, where it is very bad. You know, rude to me, you know, disrespect me, you know, say something to me just because me I talk about someone who God. With someone who God is a monster to me. CMR me I talk about. This video is not really about CMR, no, but this video have CMR issue all over it. When me talk about CMR and him monstrous life, and him dirty life, and him dirty condition, some of you know where you no have no heart, come pan here and tell me all kind of bad things. Tell me all kind of rude things. Disrespect me. Tell me how me a whole man. Tell me how me whole. Tell me how me fi go sit down. Tell me how me bad mind Christian. Same when me can't bad mind nobody where interfere with kids. Nobody. Allegedly. Nobody will interfere with kids. Me have all content creator. Yeah, content creator. Daddy Gargan. Come by here, come talk about how if me say CMR guilty, CMR I go sue me. When me no cater. Me ready for the sue. Because me ready for him. Because he can't sue me. Because him guilty in my eye. And me go say that a million times. And Daddy Gargan, me hear say you do video, I talk about you are go sue. You can't sue me either. You can't sue me either. Because of what you say. Anyway, we not talk about that. We are talk about this. My viewers and subscribers, I really want you to go check out a toucher class, HTK. She have a video up. And the video she have up is about some child predator, monster in a Guyana. And only Jamaica then there. And only in the US then there. Over Guyana there. So go watch that video there. Yeah, man. Go watch that video there. Or I think I may pin it down below. I may pin it down below if me have access to it. I may pin it down below. But today, my viewers and subscribers, I ask for permission to use a video. And this video, when me ask for permission to use, is a very dangerous, damning video. And I get this permission from this video from On The Spot Media. Love On The Spot Media, man. When me say love it, me love On The Spot Media. Please, me ask, you know, go over there. Like the channel. Support the channel. Yeah, man, support him so he can continue forget the information. Forgive with the information, to put the information out there so that we can help to make Jamaica be a safer place for everybody. Not only for one person, but for everybody. On the spot, media. I like say that. So go over there, go watch On the Spot Media. But my viewers and subscribers, with no further ado, we go show this video, and then after this video, we have a small conversation about what you see in the video. Get.
Boy, the teen told authorities they met on the social media app. Golgar is also a Jamaican national who entered the U.S. on a visa. This is 44-year-old Damian Golgar. Bay County Sheriff's deputies arrested him Wednesday for allegedly having sex with a 16-year-old boy. The teen told authorities they met on the social media app. Golgar is also a Jamaican national who entered the U.S. on a visa that has expired.
We have been in contact with Immigration and Customs Enforcement on this case, and they have him currently on an ICE hold, which means that once the state charges are resolved, then he'll be turned into ICE custody.
On the spot news media, we got the latest news.
Full Friday morning to each and every person out there tuning in to On the Spot News Media. Now, me peeps, I don't know how we do it over on this side each and every morning. We have to give thanks and praise to the Most High Creator for the preservation of life, because life is indeed the greatest. So in the morning, my peeps, I have a few stories to share with you, the regular members of Chan Public and also members of the diaspora. So please like the video, share the video, watch the entire vlog so you can get a full understanding and a better appreciation of everything we are going in a Jamaica. So what you know, my peeps, we're going to kick it off with a rather sad story coming out of the parish of Portland, where a set of parents has formed a group called Rise Up Against Predators in our classrooms. So these parents are basically disgruntled over the fact that a Portland educator has found himself on the wrong side of the fence by means of getting involved and doing adult things with a minor. So that group of parents has written to On the Spot News Media, and the letter states to the editor: the sacred trust between parents, children, and educators has been discredited by a monster lurking within the walls of the Port Antonio High School in the parish of Portland. The details of this case are both grotesque and horrifying, and they need and demand the immediate and relenting attention of the authorities, of the community, and every citizen who values the safety of our children. So a music teacher at Port Antonio High School has been exposed as a serial pedophile, a predator obsessed with getting engaged in adult activities and exploiting young girls entrusted in his care. The most recent and heinous act involves that of a 14-year-old child who should have been learning and growing and dreaming safely under his instructions, but instead she became the victim of his depravity. The predator orchestrated 2 separate encounters with the girl, both abhorrent in nature. On the first occasion, he attempted penetration but failed. The second occasion, he took the child to an old motel located at Titchfield in Port Antonio, where he violated her innocence in the act of full adult type of thing with the teen girl. The young girl bled heavily and traumatized as she lost her virginity in this brutal encounter and suffered physical injuries so severe that she required hospitalization. The depths of his wickedness did not end there. After the brutal assault, the teacher brought the girl some sanitary napkins to stem the heavy flow of red substance coming from her private area, and cowardly left her at the Port Antonio hospital. And in a cowardly attempt to evade accountability, he fabricated a story calling the child's mother and claiming that he had found her leaking the red substance from her private area in a motel after receiving a call for help. But his lies crumbled under scrutiny. So as the hospital staff and the police grew suspicious, the girl was coerced into another false account of what had happened, blaming an unknown man for her present condition. The truth emerged through diligent investigations, exposing the teacher as the perpetrator. What has been uncovered since is even more appalling, is that the teacher tasked with guiding and educating our youth is allegedly involved in adult relationships with multiple other students, not only from the Port Antonio High School, but also from other learning institutions right across the parish of Portland. A close source revealed that his phone contains a trove of evidence, countless videos and photos of schoolgirls, some underage, and also showing explicit and degrading poses. These include images of young girls, often from their own homes, exposing themselves to him on video calls. They also checked his text messages, which showed him speaking of previous adult encounters with these little girls. So this teacher, this predator, has reduced our daughters to objects of his perverse gratification. Equally distressing is his blatant disregard for safety. It is reported that he engaged in these type of adult acts without using any form of protections. So basically, in a layman term, him no use no condom, exposing these children to the risk of STDs and STIs. The recklessness is staggering, and the danger he poses cannot be overstated. How does a man supposed to be an educator stand in a classroom pretending to instill respect and values, whilst his actions wreak havoc on the lives of his students? How does he meet parents on report day, shake
I'd like to teach you how to make $5,000 a month online by simply being
of his veil acts? This is a man who was caught on video in his own classroom kissing a schoolgirl in uniform. He has crossed every conceivable boundary, treating these children as they are his romantic partners rather than minors he is obligated to protect. So this is not an isolated incident. Other teachers at the institution have also been accused of similar behavior, including those who bear titles such as guidance counselors and pastor. The rot runs deep, and the culture of silence and complicity must end. Disturbingly, this pedophile is also associated with persons in higher authority, including political representatives, justices of the peace, and ministers of religion. Many of these individuals have themselves been embroiled in controversies, casting a dark shadow over their credibility and their willingness to confront these heinous acts. These connections raise troubling questions about whether these associations have allowed this predator to operate with impunity. So we, the parents, cannot allow predators to masquerade as educators any longer. It is our collective responsibility to protect our children from these monsters. The Ministry of Education, the police, and the community must act decisively. This teacher and many others like him must be arrested, prosecuted, and barred from ever entering a classroom again. The evidence against him is overwhelming, and justice must be swift and unyielding. Parents, rise up, demands accountability, demands action. Our children's future depends on it. These predators have stolen enough, and it is time to take a stand. SEX in full bold capital is for consenting adults, not for innocent, vulnerable children who deserve safety, respect, and a chance to grow without fear of being preyed upon by those entrusted to guide them. Let this be a moment we say, no more. Sincerely, a parent. Yeah, man. So on your screen is the teacher in question, and he has since been identified as Tajay Ba. Now one, I go say, then on the spot, uno sure say the man guilty of anything. Well, I am not the judge or the juror, but one thing I know for sure. He was arrested and charged by the police, and is presently in the custody of the police for that 14-year-old child. Yeah, man. So go take it up with the officer them. And I just want to say, give thanks to the parents them who collectively came together and brought down this
where it's like rocket fuel for my rental revenue. Guest communication, automated pricing, seamless channel management.
He must act collectively and sincerely as the person that penned that letter stated, to protect our nation's most vulnerable. So parents out there, adults out there, teachers out there, students out there who know of these predators, do not sit in silence. If you know something, say something. Yeah, man. So anyway, make a continue. Now over there in the St. Mary Police Division, a man was fatally conned up by the police during an alleged confrontation in the community of Tank Lane in Morocco.
My viewers and subscribers, oh my God. Did you all see that? Did you all watch that? How is your nerves? How is your heart? How is your body? How you feel when you hear what On The Spot Media just say? Hey, how you feel? To all the people them out the way, I back CMR, we are back all the wrongs where them people are do. How you feel? Eh? How you feel? Hold on, look at it. Me I talk to you right now. Yeah, me I talk to you. You, I say, how the girl reaching at the hotel. Yeah, man, me know someone who I say that. Me know someone who I say that. But ask yourself this. What did the teacher said to her before then go to the hotel? Ask yourself this. Why did the teacher said anything in the first place to her? The teacher should not be in that situation where him even have nothing to say to that little girl more than teach her what is there to teach her. He didn't have, him have no right. Him did not need to say anything. And furthermore, him have a lot in his phone. And it's not only at that school. Him a do that. Him a do it all over the school and the place in a Port Antonio, Portland. Which part me come from with the boat land. And some of you take this thing for a joke. Some of you take this thing and I tell people about them bad mind people. How you feel bad mind people where I touch little kids? Eh? How you feel bad mind people where I destroy little kids' life? And you get the part about the mother? You get the part about the mother? That's what Chrissy should be doing. That's what Chrissy should be doing and stop protecting his little shit, her little monstrous man. Also, check this out. This man have the heart to call the pitney mother. Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. Remember me telling you, go over HTK. Go over HTK, go watch the video we share over there, because it's the same thing the man in a Guyana do. Call the mother. No, this man call the mother. Tell the mother, say, him get a phone call. You don't hear it? About which part she there? Why they never call the principal for the school? Like, you see some of them take police for fool. Just like how CMR go on the fix and talk about how the detective make a mistake. The detective never do our work right. Now, you see me in a video there, you see him look? Because hella pop. That the video there come, man. That the video there come. Hella pop in our life right now. In life, you remember, you know this song we say, when trouble take you, pitney shot fit you? Huh. That video there come, man. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, what me want on office do is pray for these victims and these kids, because the predator them out there, the monster them out there, the people them out there were in charge of them, we are threaten them, we are tell them all different sort of things. Remember the lady say, in uncle tell her say, if you go tell what him a go do and what him a go take from her, remember that. The lady will call me, will tell me about the situation what happened to her. She said her uncle used to tell her, you can't tell nobody. Because they not go believe you. They might go think and know, say a lie you a tell. You know the Lord is our shepherd, you know. Yeah man, the Lord is my shepherd. Boy, I tell you the truth, say, if you as a subscriber, remember me talk about my cousin all the time, you see? In this video, just for make you realize it. Me now do this for no likes, and stop telling me say me I do this for likes. You know, stop come on my channel and tell me say me I do this for likes, because me now do it for no likes. Me nah do it for no likes. Me nah do it for no sympathy either. Me nah do it for no clout. A long time me in the eyesight of people. Long time. Long time. Me in the eyesight of people. Me nah have time look for like over people problems. Me not have that time. And you sit down and run over Seymour and watch him video and talk about how Seymour a good youth. I read some comment over upon him brother channel Shavar channel how Seymour a good youth, Seymour a nice youth. Let me tell you something. Nobody with trouble kids are no nice youth, nice man, nice nothing. There's nothing nice about them. Once them trouble kids, there's nothing nice about them. Let me tell you something. You should not even think about troubling a kid. You shouldn't even think about troubling a kid. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you this. When you don't have no kid, you should respect no kid so much. That's all you want for no kid is good. Nothing that's bad. You don't want nothing for no kid that is bad. Much less fear interfere with a kid. And then you have some uno as mother. Some uno as mother is a disgrace to the human race, man. Yes, man, uno is a disgrace to the human race. Because uno know, say some uno man. Uno know what happened to them little kids and uno not say nothing. Because I'm afraid to lose that little money. I'm afraid to lose that little DICK we want to get. I'm afraid to lose that little good treatment we want to get. I want to sit down with some of them man. I live with some of them man. I don't care about no kids. All I don't care about is no dirty self. Hey, and then someone will come on my channel and come tell me about how me bad mind people. How me fi bad mind people are trouble kids. What do you know? Me not bad mind Jeff Bezos. How me fi bad mind a little boy with a little few dollars and a trouble him kids. In step kids. And how me fi bad mind this one way and take himself and mash down all of the young kids at Portland when his job is to teach them. Or if you bad mind them the kind of people, I mean I bad mind Jeff Bezos. We have billions of dollars. I not bad mind him. I want to be like him and I want to be better. Want to be better than Jeff Bezos. As some me live my life, I want to be better than the people who have a lot. I don't have time for bad mind, dirty mind people. I don't have time for bad mind people. Because a bad mind, the little girl, if you try if you take her innocent. A bad mind that boy, bad mind that little girl, if you take her innocent with him little dirty self. And then you know what I talk about. Them are good people. They have nothing name good in them. Just remember. Just think about this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is wrong with that man? Oh, you think nothing wrong with him? You think him just get up and just do it today? Just do it today? I hears him do it. Me thank God so much that them find him phone. The only thing we should have is once we find them guilty, immediately we bring them in at the square. Yeah, man. We bring them in at the square immediately. That's what we should have in a Jamaica or in the world. And that we should have. Shouldn't have no time. Yes, once you find, it should be an immediate case. Yeah, man, an immediate case. Give thanks to the mother down at Portland there. Because you don't know, Portland is one of the safest places in Jamaica. And Portland no play around. Yeah, man, Portland no play around. Anything we see at Portland, we go talk. We go make the police know. Or if we don't make the police know, we deal with it ourselves. It's called jungle justice. Many times them something if it happen. Carry them in the jungle. You can't sit down and do people pitney like that. Cause me I tell you, you know. 3 little one me got, you know. Yeah man, 3 little girl. 1 little boy, 9-year-old. Me I tell you no. Hope and pray every day. Say no boy, no trouble them because my viewers and subscribers, me hope and pray that day no come because of that day come me go ask you know. Any which part me there in the world. Jamaica, foreign, Canada, England. Anyway, me I go ask you if you sum up some money and carry food come give me. Yeah, because I saw it I go. You can't play around people, kids like that. And my viewers and subscribers, I'm sorry if you talk like this, but we have to talk like this because guess what? The victim then have no word, them can't talk, Starky. Them can't talk, brother. Pain them I feel. And then when you check it out, you have a big grown man we used to in the church. We're in the church still. We used to be a preach. We used to do enough things in the church. We still do enough things in the church. A back, a predator, a back, a monster. Daddy Gaga me attack. But you know what I want to say? And this is what I want to say now. I want to say this to you now, Daddy Gaga. Your idol. Yeah, man, your idol have 2 daughters, you know. Yeah, man, your idol have 2 daughters. I remember, hope and pray. Say nothing like them things that happen to them, you know. That's what I say. And that's why I know say your head not upon your body. Because when you protect a man, when the little girl say him touch 3 times, and him himself walk in our room, him say it with him one mouth, say him walk in our room and catch her, play a guitar upon herself. Why you go in at the little girl room and a knock? Why you just, cause that door was locked. That little girl now play a guitar with a open door. As him say, and him say that in. Yeah, CMR say in going in the room and see the little girl that play a guitar upon herself. That little girl not so stupid for play a guitar upon herself with door open. Door lock. You push the door and go in there. And then when you put camera in there, and then you are going to say, when you put camera in there because she a go through window. How you put camera in there after she a play guitar? Where you put camera in there for? For watch when she a play guitar, you little drunker. Hey. My viewers and subscribers, you know what? We go cut that video here right here, so. Because some viewers and subscribers have some good respect, them have some good comment, and you have some people out there where not have no heart when I think. And I want me to talk to, you know. I want me to talk to straight. Yeah man, I want to continue. I big them up over there. And it make me bitter. And this boy down at Jamaica there, down at Portland there, Port Antonio school. People, you see that school there? Me have to pass that school if you go on my yard, you know. My brother, my 2 brother them go to that school, you know. Me never go to that school. I teach field school me go. Yeah man. I teach field school me go. My next 2 brother, at them that school of them go. That time it named senior school. Yeah man, that time a senior school it named. Way back in the days. And me I got a teach field. So You know, when them say things happen, and it get even harder when it hit home. Me don't know none of them people where this happened to, you know. Some one of them people where this happened to could be my relative. I wonder if you know I realize. I wonder if you know I realize where me I set to, you know. One of these people that this man do this to could be my relative. Could be my family member. Jesus Christ. Me have to go call down there. You hear what me I say? Listen to me, man. You know what? Viewers and subscribers, thank you very much for watching this video. It was a rough video for make. Hard video for make. When I want to say peace and love. And if you watch the video up to this time, remember, go check out a touch of class with HDK. And remember, like, share, subscribe to this channel, Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. And my viewers and subscribers, remember, check out On The Spot Media, because that's how you can get all information, you can get all news, and I will be I will be posting. When him do some video like these, I'll take them and post.